What it do? This your boy Gemini 4 reeling on back, and you know it's Sunday fun day, so we ain't working in the garage. I'm finna be back here on Ryan, so we're gonna get a little. I'm finna do a little song in the back on the track. You know what I'm saying? So they get at it right quick. I ain't gonna hold you long. Oh yeah, let me talk about that right quick. Hold on. All right, 4-wheeler running, gas still on. It drip a little bit here and there, but I figured out if I put my gas right here, not all the way too far on, that it won't drip as much like it was. And I think I figured it out. I was tapping on it the other day when it started back doing it. And the float, well, I guess the float went up and it stopped it. So I'm guessing my floats are bad on it now. I gotta replace the floats on it now. So I think my floats are not floating. They're staying down, so I'm gonna get some new floats to put in them. And my suspension, you hear the squeaking noise? Hey, come hold it for me. Come on. All right, like I was saying, the rear shock right there. You remember I adjusted the height on the rear shock, but it's still making it like, listen to it. When I be riding, I hear that noise, so I know I need some more grease in my shock up here, in my bearings. So what a bearing thing is. Come right here, My bearing for that one. I don't see it. I don't see it right at the moment, but I know I got a real one right here. So that goes to that one though, but I think it's the one at the top. So I need to see how I'm gonna grease that bearing right there. But I think that was wrong with it. The reason it's squeaking. Alright, we finna hit this track right quick and finna give y'all a little song for the track thing. Since I lost the other footage. So I'm gonna hit y'all with this footage. All right, people. This is about a wrap for me going around this track. You feel me? So, finna put her up in a minute. Y'all wanna do one more walk around for me right quick of that bike. I'm gonna give y'all one more so y'all see how it look now. And I might not put it back on the vlog until I don't know. A reveal of the whole bike when I'm finished. So, or y'all wanna keep on seeing the progress in work. Or y'all just wanna see it now and then see when it's done. So let me know. Comment below if you want me to keep doing how I'm doing, working on it, showing the process what it takes from getting a Facebook market project. Well, it's not really like a project, a Facebook market deal to run it how you really want to run it. So, or you just want me to skip ahead and just show y'all when I'm done. But just let you know, it might be some weeks, it might be some months before that video come out if I do it like that the other way. If it I show y'all when it's finally finished, because I don't know how long parts gonna take. Really don't really need that many parts. Just need cosmetic stuff now, and some floats. Other than that, but it's like I said, it's not really leaking. I can look past the leaking gas thing. It just, I don't want my forward leaking gas. But other than that, it's great. And grease up barriers and all that stuff. So like I said, let me know if y'all want me to skip ahead and drop that video later on down the road when it's all done, or y'all want to see the process.